Heavy and light. Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about heavy and light things, about the weight. So let's see what's heavy and what's light. A flower. A flower is light, but the tree is heavy. You can't pick up the tree. A spoon is light. A jar is heavy in weight. Oh, a cupcake is light, but a chicken is heavy. And a microwave is light, but the fridge is big and heavy. You can't push the fridge, but you can easily push the microwave. And that's the heavy and light things. And there are many more examples of it. Keep learning.